Oh, look, in the fairy garden, the daffodils are blooming. Yay! Hello, daffodils. And look, they're all scattered throughout. Just growing at random out there. I love when they're naturalized like that. There's little tiny surprises everywhere. Little tiny grape hyacinths. I love nature's little surprises. So today is March 1st, 2025. And here we are in our little homestead garden here. We planted 6 different fruit trees, and today I'm planting my Grand Champion Floribunda red rose right in this box. So I'm excited to once again share what's growing in our neck of the woods, and we'll share a little bit more after I'm get done digging and filling the box and planting this beautiful rose. Okay, I'm almost done getting this one planted, and yep, it's beautiful. There's Dave watering the new apple trees. Oh look, and there's blossoms, and they smell amazing. Apple blossoms. We have apple blossoms. Oh, they smell so good. And hopefully soon we will have some apples. Yum.
Yeah, the other apple has to blossom. So
In order to pollinate, yep, so.
But the plums don't need anything else.
And the plum over there in the corner, it's got its tiny it's got a little bloom on it, so very exciting to add more and more beautiful things to our little sanctuary in our neck of the woods. Oh, I love the smell of dirt. Compost and just love the smell of nature. And there's the one tiny plum blossom. But there's buds coming. Oh, another blossom. Oh, there's another one. Yay! Nimai isapa samashay eva miyama ini kiyata kaseato bishaniti izama ana. I have so many more seeds to plant. Nyava ari naya ayanana kisabara vashani now. And once again, I thank all the elements for making everything possible. And the elementals adding their perfect form of magic to everything. I feel their kisses and sprinkles everywhere.